look at that.
Try a slice. Gentlemen, do I have a video for you today? We needed this. This is me from the future after the fact. It was a success. If there's any video of mine you watch until the end, it's this one. Today is the day. Don't worry about the sword. We are going to give away this Harbor Freight toolbox, the purple toolbox. It's a tool cart to be specific, and we're going to be giving it away to one of you. So subscribe down below. Make sure you drop a comment. It's going to have a pizza oven in it because that was the #1 requested thing. I got this Harbor Freight toolbox about a year ago, and I've just been deciding on what to do with it. Do I give it away to someone? I'll give you guys a mini toolbox, so subscribe down below. We're going to give away that mini toolbox, the purple one up top on there. And it just so happens that I don't really want to repair this drawer. We always can. After meandering through the indefatigable amount of shorts I have posted and published on this channel, you will find, my friend, the day I walked into my local Harbor Freight and found this purple monstrosity, this box that had been violated by a forklift. It was on sale for 70% off. I think 180 bucks or something like that. I was able to negotiate it down to 160, not 200. I was able to negotiate it from 2 to like 160 after tax. I think 158. Still there? Follow me. A replacement drawer is about 70 bucks if you call Harbor Freight Parts Department. That's a thing. You can get their parts catalog. If you get a part number, you get any type of parts or whatever for whatever. You can do that for most things. The drawer is an option. I just thought it was a lot cooler to do a pizza oven. Also, I think I make a great pizza. You will be able to determine that for yourself in just a moment. And if I didn't, I just love pizza anyway. Subscribe if you also love pizza. Just shut up and do it. It's free. You're probably on the toilet watching this right now anyway in your bathroom, you freak. Gonna remove the drawer, use some ingredients to make a pizza. Matt, how do you make a pizza with a toolbox? Quite simple, more to come. This is what we are going to be giving away from one of the previous videos. Go subscribe and comment on the unboxing video. This is brand new. We're gonna be giving it away to one of you. Hopefully you win both. Now, I don't think you thought that I was gonna make some type of like brick oven in there or whatever. First, we gotta get this drawer removed, then we can unbox that. This should be simple. We should be able to just slide that. I told you guys not to worry about the sword. I think I got it from a pawn shop a while ago. What better way to open this than with a sword? Get this out. I think we're probably gonna have to pull these off. Otherwise, I don't think this is gonna fit too well. Let's see if we can pop this out. I think this should just, I should flip this upside down. I'm just too lazy. Oh, we got mitts. Look at that. Wow. Okay. I'm liking what I see. I don't remember it's going to be able to fit in here. Let's just see if it does. Oh, it does. I don't have to take the legs off. Very convenient. Roll these in. And then... Okay. So this is the door. That's cool. Just bolts on. Instructions. I definitely didn't just look at them. That will drop in there. It's a lot warmer than I thought it was. Here we go. This is plastic on the end, which makes me feel a lot better about all the other plastic. It's nice and tight. This should slide right in, so you can pick up your pizza, put it in, and slide it on your pot. Boom. Pretty nice. We'll see what kind of pizza it makes. And we have first light, my friends. Let's get this plugged in. We're on. We are on. I'm gonna let this get up to heat. I'm gonna let it burn off whatever type of chemicals or whatever is in there. Let that season itself and whatnot. This can stay at a solid 30 minutes. Let's go prep our pizza. Not much that goes into making a proper pizza other than fresh ingredients and love. So we're just gonna cut this open. Fresh mozz, sauce. We'll just get the sauce on there. Do this generously. Sauce is very important. Baste this in. I want the sauce to be kind of everywhere. Do y'all like making your own pizza, or would you rather just order one? Personally, I'm kind of both. It depends on the day for me. Most of the time, probably into it. Most of the time, I'm probably into it. So my goal is to just let that get all soaked up at 525. Hopefully I don't catch that on fire. My dogs are, yeah, vultures. We might as well use all of this. Oh. We have slices. Throw this on here. I kind of want to eat one. Good job, Matt. We're just gonna lather it up. Got ourselves a pizza, baby. This can go right there. Lastly, you're gonna want some basil. Oh God, fresh basil would obviously be a better choice. Now, I'm gonna give that about a half hour. We're gonna head out there, throw that in, then we'll give that probably about 20 minutes. This doesn't make for the most banger thumbnail. Once this is finished cooking, I will never make a YouTube video again. If you guys like this video and you wanna see more, let me know down below. Yeah, that's getting hot. I don't think we have any pain points in here. Just gonna let this heat up and we'll be back soon. Oh God, I think the sacrificial burn is complete. I feel it's only fair that we use these. Let's get our mitts on and then we can get this ready. I guess it's only right that we pull this out. And here we go. I'm gonna put this up front because I kind of want to see this, and we're gonna send her in, see what it does. Now while that's in there cooking, we've made some adjustments. We slid it over. We're gonna slide this in here, even though we are giving this away. I kind of want to see if we can at least, I just want to fill that space up a little bit. It looks a little more complete that way, almost. Really what I should do is cut this out so the drawer connects and just fits right there, boom. And you can ching, ching. That's actually kind of a sweet idea. Maybe we will do that in the next video. I just want to make sure that this doesn't burn this to the ground. This is sort of a test run. Next video, we'll do that for you guys. About 10 minutes remaining and we'll be good to go. While we're waiting for that, for those of you that aren't subscribed to the other channel I have, Track Slayers, the car channel, we have this 911 Turbo. It's manual. It's a 996. It's a 911 Turbo with the GT2 front end. Not really a shameless plug. I'm more so asking, do you want to see 911 Turbo content on this channel? We have a Tesla Model S Plaid, 1100 horsepower car. It's just a really cool daily. This is the fun one, though. This may have been a bad idea. Stand by. I've noticed some issues. We'll get into it in just a second. I don't know if this is going to smell like a pizza or not, so I kind of want to check out the inside. Open that top lift. It's just something to consider, guys. Oh, it does smell. It does smell like a pizza. All right, I have the mitt on. It is time, ladies and gentlemen. Let's pull her out and see. Oh, my God. Look at that. Tell me that's not the most scrumptious pizza you've ever seen come out of a Harbor Freight toolbox. Look at that. Oh, dude, look at the caramelization on that cheese. Oh my God, this has been an incredible one. I'm really happy to have done this with you guys. And there we go, that's our timer. The only thing left is for us to take a bite of this. I'm probably gonna burn myself doing this. I don't know how I should eat this. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Stop. That is so good. Get the sword. That's what this was for, guys. Don't think I was gonna forget about it. Oh God. Let's try a slice. Ah. It's so hot. It's so good. Oh, burn my mouth. I can't believe that came from this. That's so wild. Fun little trick is to make your dough out of focaccia bread. I'm gonna finish this up. Not gonna make you guys stick through it, and we will give my final thoughts at the end. And we're also gonna do a giveaway on this toolbox. So comment down below, make sure you're subscribed. So good. I think it's time to assess our damage because I want this to be like a successful thing. I mean, this was kind of a joke, but also if somebody really wants it, yeah, you don't have to have the pizza oven. You probably just want the box. But let's get this out. Let's get it out. You know, I'm gonna remove that. That's probably smart since that's glass. And this is gonna be hot. Zero damage. Thanks again for watching the video. Subscribe if you're interested in the giveaways or anything like that. We give away free tools all the time to our subscribers and our loyal, dedicated, lovely viewers. That's you, because you're a new subscriber now, right? Thanks for watching.